Right, time to reorganize this mess. So if you watched my Dollar Tree haul, I didn't really like any of their storage containers, so I ended up just getting these white kitchen tubs and I just hand wrote some labels. So right now I am just going to sort all of the hotel toiletries. The rest of the stuff, I'm not for sure what I'm going to do yet. I could technically clean out underneath the sinks. Just depends how much. I don't want it cluttered. So let's just start with sorting all the hotel toiletries, and then I'll maybe be inspired for the rest of the stuff. See how much space it takes. And so, all right. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna make you watch the whole thing, but so this one says body wash, and that's pretty much what I'm gonna do for each one. So I have regular bar soap, and then I have face soap, because sometimes when you get these free toiletries, they will see this is that's just a regular. I'm just gonna put that in bar soap, but sometimes they'll specifically say like face soap, and same things there. And this one is a conditioner. Moisturizer, so this is a lotion. Another lotion. Conditioning. So you're like, Jenny, how do you get so many toiletries? So I do every night at the hotel, like if we stay 4 nights, if you just leave it on the counter, they're not going to replace it. This is not focusing very well. This is body wash, even though you can't see it. Anyway, so every night I will grab all of the hotel toiletries and put it in a bag, because if you don't, pull them, if you don't take them out of the bathroom every day, they're not going to replace them. But if you take them out of the bathroom, then they will replace them. So yeah, that's how I have so much. I make it a point to put them in my suitcase every night, so they will restock my bathroom every day. So it says, this one says face and body. I'm just going to put it in the regular bar soap. Or maybe I won't. Maybe I'll put it in the face, because there's not going to be as many face soap as there is regular bar soap. And then not all, this is, oh, these are soaps. Okay. They're just skinny soaps. All right. So this is conditioner. Wait, no, it says moisturizer, so that means it's lotion. And then this is shampoo, and this one is shampoo. So I got a trash stack. I'm not going to keep all these. I'm not going to reuse them. I'm just going to throw them away, trying to clean up space. Okay. All right, next one. All right, so I'm going to do that, and then I'm not going to bore you with sorting every single one. I will show you once it's done. I started this Disney bag, and I noticed, so I have this hotel miscellaneous, because not all hotels, but some hotels, they will have shower caps and vanity kits. So this probably, is this the shower cap? It is not focusing. Vanity kit contains usually like swabs, and sometimes there's sewing kits. So that's going to go under the hotel miscellaneous. And then I have this one that says, this one specifically says hand wash. I don't see that a lot in a hotel. I'm just going to put that to the side. I don't know if I have enough of that to actually make a tub just for that. We'll see. One of the hotels we stayed at had like Paul Mitchell shampoo and conditioner and bath bar. To me, it was just memory's sake, because when I was a kid in high school, everybody loved Paul Mitchell, and we had to use all Paul Mitchell hair products. So it was the first time I'd ever been to a hotel that had specific Paul Mitchell. So I don't know, it was just a memory's sake. So of course I kept them. All right, I have it sorted. I actually ended up making 2 tubs of bar soap because I have that much bar soap. And then the face soap, and then also there was face wipes that hotels give out too. And then lotion, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. That's not as full as everything else, but it's still pretty full. And the hotel miscellaneous is basically just shower caps, sewing kits, shoe mitten, little like lightweight stuff like this. And then I had one more bag. I don't know if I'm gonna do a tub just for it. This is like definitely oddities. You definitely don't get these at every single hotel. Like this is a mouthwash. Don't get that a lot. And then this is bath salts. This is another mouthwash. This is bath salts. Disney gave out a foot rub. Definitely didn't get that every day. This one was a foot rub. This one was a hand wash. I guess I could put the hand wash with the body wash. And then this one is a shave gel. And this one is a hairspray. This was from the Bellagio. It's the one and only time I ever got a hairspray. And this is a bath salt. And this is a mouthwash. I think I'm gonna do a toothpaste one. This is aloe vera. This is aloe vera. And this is mouthwash. Since I know I have toothbrushes and toothpaste, I'm gonna go ahead and create a bin of just the of tooth stuff. And then I'm gonna sort through this, take those blue bins and probably put them down here. I don't know yet. I'm still thinking, but this is what I got so far. All right, I am done for now. Done with this closet. So I did add a makeup tub, and so that will be all my extra makeup. And then I added a tub for toothpaste and toothbrushes. That will be like all my, I have a lot of toothbrushes and I have travel size toothpaste I still have to sort out, so that will go in there. I decided to leave my caboodles down below. So that bottom caboodle is my caboodle from childhood, and it's full of vintage childhood makeup. And then the second caboodle I thrifted, and it's full of nail stuff. This case, it's not a caboodle, it's just a vintage case from childhood. It's full of hair ties. And then I have my curling set down below, my flat iron and my curling iron. And that's it. That's all I'm going to put down there. And I have this bag. This Mac bag is kind of skinny. And so I'm just throwing my hair clips, hair ties extra in there because it's skinny enough that the door will still shut. So that's it. That's all I'm putting in my closet. I've got all my little toiletries sorted, and now that they're sorted, it'll be easier for me to use them every day. As you can see, I still have all this stuff. I will probably do a separate video. All this stuff, I'm going to sort it. Some of it's going to be thrown away, and the rest is going to be put into these tubs underneath the sinks, because right now the sinks underneath, I don't really use it, but there's like a trash can, and that's where I store toilet paper and maybe some extra seashells. So I'll pull all that out and use these bins to do the stuff that does not go in this very organized closet. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. All right, I said goodbye prematurely. I'm not quite done. So as you can see, that trash sack is pretty full. Threw a bunch of stuff away that's expired and stuff. And then I got these white trays. I'm gonna sort. These are all my chapsticks. That goes over here. And then hand sanitizers right there. And then Q-tips. And I'm gonna just sort more stuff so that is organized. And yeah, just wanted to I still have some stuff sitting on the counter. Still have to find spots for it, but doing pretty good. Got the bins full of stuff, and those bins are gonna go underneath of this sink down here, and then clear off the rest of this stuff somehow. But This is all. I had no idea I had how much hair stuff, like bobby pins. Let's see, bobby pins, colored bobby pins, colored hair ties. This is all full of like a bazillion hair ties. And this bag was hair ties, so let me zip that up. Hair ties. I never need to buy another hair tie again. Don't know why I have so many. Alright, I'm done. That's it. I'm not having a third video. It was pretty easy to organize. All I did was put those two bins on this side, 2 bins on that side. Like I said, these weren't really bad underneath. It just had a bunch of bottles and stuff. And then this is Ollie. Did I just surprise you? Ollie just ran out like crazy. This I should have showed it before. This was pretty messy in here, but now it looks a lot better. So yeah, bathroom is done. Oh, I gotta put this. All right, that's it. I gotta put that away. Bathroom is done. Closet looks good. Oh, and when I open the door, it smells so good. A lot of this soap smells really, really good. So very, very organized. It's gonna make life a lot easier. All right, thanks for watching. I hope everyone is having a wonderful May.